Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Penny. Couple of things. This video started out as a kitchen tour, but when I was editing the video, I realized that I was talking mostly about the fermented foods that I was eating. So it's mostly about fermented foods and the changes that I've made in my diet and things around my kitchen. So that's what the video is about. I've been eating fermented foods now for like consistently since last year, and I haven't had any major or minor illnesses. And I do believe that there is a connection between your gut health and your overall health, and fermented foods and their probiotics benefit your overall health. I'm going to put a copy of this book in the description bar below. You don't need the book to ferment foods. I started fermenting before I got the book, but because I knew that I wanted fermentation to be a part of my life going forward, I decided to get the book so that I can have information for my own knowledge. But there are tons of videos on YouTube. There are blog posts and there are Instagram accounts that you can follow for information about fermentation. Let's see. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but I believe that your health is your greatest asset, and if you don't have good health, all of your other plans are going to go out the window. So I just wanted to put that out there. One more thing. I log onto my account from my computer, and I went in the background because I was looking into getting a moderator for my channel, and I clicked on something that said comments, and I noticed that there are several comments on my videos, like one of them from 4 months ago that I never got notification for. I will always acknowledge comments that I get. My channel is small. I will always acknowledge comments that I get on my videos. A heart, reply, so I always do that. So those did not show up in my email on my iPad screen. I never got notifications for those at all. So I'm not really sure what that's about. So if you are someone that left a comment and never responded, I haven't seen it. But I responded to the ones that I saw yesterday. I think there were 4 of them. But anyway, yeah, let's take a look at what's going on in my kitchen. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you can also give it a thumbs down. Please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get my life together. I'm trying to get healthy. I'm trying to be happy. I'm trying to be sustainable. So please subscribe to my channel if that sounds like something that you're into. Also, any type of interaction does help. I do want to get up to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which is going to be hard now that I'm not really uploading videos that will get thousands and thousands of views, but we'll get there, right? Okay. Anyway, this is the video that I started. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's a Saturday afternoon, and this is what my kitchen looks like. I just cleared off the top above the kitchen sink. It's always cluttered, and I was wondering if anyone has that issue, because I stopped buying junk food a while ago. So I cook all of my meals. Well, now that I'm home, I cook all of my meals. I always have things in the sink, and when I wash them, I don't dry them right away, and I put them on top of the sink, or I just put them over there. So it's always cluttered. So I cleaned it off and decided that I would do a mini kitchen tour. I'll start over here. This is a cabbage from my neighbor, and this one was also from my neighbor, but I got them at different times. I made sauerkraut this morning. I always have sauerkraut. I've been eating sauerkraut religiously since last year. I just finished this giant jar of sauerkraut, and right now I'm working on this batch. And then when I'm done with this, I'll have this one ready. So while I'm halfway through here, I'll make another one. I'm gonna make some juice later. And in this jar, I have some peppers in the fridge, and I chop them up and put lots of garlic and salt and apple cider vinegar in here. I think I may have put some olive oil. It's really good and spicy. This is my lunch, so as soon as I'm done filming this video, I'm going to make my lunch. This is oatmeal. Like, I grounded up some oatmeal. They're wraps. They're not coming out the way they looked in the video. Pesto, I always have pesto in my fridge. I make that every time I go grocery shopping. I get spinach and I make pesto. Yeah, there's not much to see on this side. This is where I fried my cauliflower wings last night and this morning, so I'm not looking forward to cleaning that out. I made orange peel tea, and that's for my garden. This, I've been baking a lot. I make bread, and I made a Jiffy corn mix thing with pumpkin this time. So I've been baking a lot. Over here is, I've been composting for about 2 years, and I have a giant compost bin in my backyard, and then this is sawdust that I get from Home Depot for free. But the small bin that I keep inside is in here, and the sawdust kind of keeps the flies away until I take it outside. These I need to wash. I may hand wash those. This is, I don't use paper towels, haven't for a while, so I always have kitchen towels soaking. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen people put things in vinegar to get it scented. So I always have that on my windowsill, and then this is where I put it when I'm done. But the orange peel in here is kind of weak because I reused it. So when I'm done eating these oranges, these 2 oranges right here, I'll just put the peel in there to make that stronger. I made a smudge stick, and I didn't wrap it tight enough, so I have to redo that. I'm trying to sprout potatoes so I can plant them in the backyard, but it's so funny when you don't want potatoes to sprout, they sprout. Look at this one. And then when you do want them to sprout, they don't. So I'm kind of waiting for those to sprout so I can plant them in my backyard. I just put these here today. I'm gonna plant some microgreens because I've been spending way too much money on microgreens from the store. So I ordered some seeds, and I'm gonna do my own microgreens in, actually, cilantro. This is the one I am most obsessed with. Oh yeah, I unplug my appliances when I'm not using them. But I planted some cilantro in here yesterday. It's like I need to cover those a little bit in this copper pot. I'm gonna do pea shoot in here, and then I'm gonna do broccoli, but I need to add some more soil in here. Things that I need to wash, and then these are my seeds that I'm gonna use for my microgreens, and I'm soaking peas here to plant in my garden, and then I'm gonna try and get pea shoots from this. We'll see how it goes. My neighbor gave me a bag of organic carrots. That's not a fly, that's something from the carrots. I'm going to ferment those, but this time I'm not going to use a brine. I'm going to use just salt and see how it turns out. But yeah, that's my kitchen. I got the mesh fixed on the door, that's why I can keep the door open now. And then these are where I keep my linens, baskets and things for when I go out to my backyard to get dandelion. and sometimes I try to be fancy and eat from one of those bowls. But yeah, that's my kitchen. I thought I would share. Let me know if you're cooking most of your meals these days, how you guys are doing, if you always have stuff in the sink that needs washing. But well, thanks for watching. Hope you guys are doing well. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. This is what my lunch is looking like. It's very tasty. I had the same thing last night for dinner. I was editing my recent video and I just thought I would just share. I'm making a ginger bug right here to make a ginger beer soda. This is the sauerkraut that you saw in that video, but I fermented a few things today. These are radishes. This is my second batch. Brussels sprouts. This is also Brussels sprouts, but I did a different method just to see how that's going to turn out. Spiralized zucchini. This is my first time doing zucchini, and then the tops of the zucchini, and I'm making more of my pepper paste. And then I'm going to show you one more thing. So my peas are growing, my broccoli seeds are growing, and then I got this at the farmer's market. So I wanted to see if the chives would bloom, but I don't think it's going to be purple. Keep you updated. And then I'm still waiting on the cilantro. The packet says slow bolt, so that could be one of the reasons why hasn't started. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.